Where did it all begin? You have to ask my mum about that, wouldn't you? I guess it really did begin with skateboarding for me. I failed all my schooling. I was basically only interested in skateboarding, graffiti, reading thrash magazine and listening to music. I was working in the creative industry and just sort of started looking back at the things I was really into. I was like, maybe I can combine them all and do something that has no client, no brief, and it's in the public domain. And I started making my own stickers and posters and putting them up. And East London was like the playground for us in that respect. There was no law, there was no police, there was just abandoned buildings aplenty and nobody to tell you not to paint them. Motorcycles for me, it's been in my life for as long as I can remember, but it came from my dad. And on my 16th birthday, my dad come home and he said, come on, let's go and look at some motorbikes. And that was it. 16, I was gone, freedom. I went everywhere on that bike. So the LiveWire, it's an awesome machine. It's kick-ass fast. It's virtually silent. And the thing that struck me when I rode the bike was the stealthiness of it. And in my mind, I'm like, wow, you could get away with quite a lot on this bike, you know? And I like the idea of making an installation that camouflages the bike. So is it there, is it not there? That's the installation, that's the concept of it.